would like to show you guys how easy it is to use HFX and make profit in seconds. I'm just gonna hit a buy for $1. You can actually trade the amount as well. As you guys can see, you can make $100 per trade. Now in 30 seconds, we just need to make sure that the price never go below our price entry. There you go. We were just made in profit. So let me show you guys this one again. Now we're gonna hit sell. Okay, and for $100. So let's see how is this one actually working. We see that the price remaining bullish, and we'll see if this price will come right back down and go below our entry price. See, there you go. So not all the time, I want to let everybody know that not all the time you will win on this. There's gonna be also drawdown, and feel free to use this demo as well. Get your learning curve done. I'll see how this one works. Alright, as you guys can see, we are hitting the numbers, and we got some of the money back. Okay, so all you just need to know is when to sell, when to buy, right? What's a good thing about this one is, with our current company, we have master trader that allows you to learn as you go. So with this one, I'm just hitting this one, multiple entry on this one, and see, I can show you guys that all you need to do is just know when to hit buy, when to hit sell, and as you guys can see, the price is already taking off again, and we'll see how this one works. There you go. Now as you guys can see, we just made profit out of that trade, and we didn't even do too much analysis on it. So once again guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.